Right, this is the unboxing of the Super Trip Aqua Marina Super Trip 2022 model. Hang on. So it's all nicely packaged. So all in the bag. Got the pump. I'll get the bag out. So it's the bag with the pedal in it, pedal board. There's the two-way pump, and right on the bottom there's your manual and a valve wrench and some patch material and your fin. That's all that's in the box. So this pump is a two-way pump. There's a valve here you can take out. That would just make it a one-way pump. You'll find up to about 3 or 4 psi that this top will pop off when you try and use the two-way pump, and it pumps on the upstroke. This sometimes pops off. That's what I've noticed. So it's best just to use the one-way pump. And so try and get the full length of the board right down to there. So that's it anyway. It's got the new model has the handle in the middle, which is really handy. And that's the unboxing of the Super Trip family board, Aqua Marina Super Trip 2022 version. That's it in all its entirety. Awesome. Thank you for watching.